Hey guys, it's Cooper from CLS Landscape. We're here in Watermark and we're on a project, a renovation project actually. This is a client that we had previously done a full yard for here in Watermark. They've now moved to a different home and they've taken under a huge renovation on the home itself and also the yard. So we've started by gutting the entire yard, gutting all the landscaping, taking everything out, and we're starting from scratch. We built ourselves a design that included both the demo package that included everything that was coming out, as well as the new install of what's going in. So here we are in the front yard, we've gutted everything, we've got our levels, our kind of rolling landscape, which is a little different than what we do, but it's got a real parks feel. We've got some large rocks which will be incorporated in the front yard and some on the side for some features. We've got our trees in and we've got our loam pretty close ready for sod. So something you can't see but was a huge priority for this homeowner was she really wanted privacy down her side yard. So what we've done is we've installed 15 18-foot spruce trees down the side yard here. You can barely see down, it's a forest, but it's ultimate in privacy. Year-round coverage. Each one of these trees is 15 to 18 years old and they're weighing upwards of 2,000 pounds per tree. So we really had to strategically work our way out, plant a tree, come down, plant a tree all the way to the out. And now we'll just finish this with some low maintenance rock up the side. So here we are on the side yard. You can see we're gonna have a new path coming through here. We've already roughed in a lot of our grades, so we know we have some final elevation heights, and we've also roughed in a bunch of our sprinkler systems. So we've got trees in first, and then our sprinkler system is going in. So we've got all the lines run now that the holes are in the ground, and we've got our grade set to where it is. As we go down the side here, we've got some Watermark fencing installed. We've also got a ton more privacy trees. So this house is the ultimate in privacy. We planted over 37 trees on top of the existing 12 that were currently on the property. So this has a real parks feel and just a ton of green landscaping and a ton of year-round coverage. So here in the backyard, we've got some of the developer specified fencing. This is the only fencing we can use in here. So that was where the need came for all of the trees, is that we cannot gain privacy through fencing. We need to plant the trees in front of the fence to be able to get both our property line separation but also our privacy. So here we are in the backyard. Something you don't see is there's actually a stone retaining wall that goes from property line to property line on the side, holding this whole yard up. That's how we're able to gain the elevation on these trees to gain that much more privacy. So we've got the back property line lined with rock and then these large spruce trees. Here we have a new gazebo structure going in with a future hot tub to go underneath. Over here we're building a new built-in kitchen, as well as we have a new composite deck. So very low maintenance, high entertainment value in this yard. It's great for socializing, great for having people over. We'll have grass that grows all through here, and we'll have low maintenance beds. We'll plant it up, get some grass in, and finish our structure. This will hopefully be done early fall, but this has been a 2-year in the making project. It was a lot from getting our demo and initial grade done last year for the renovation, and now we've built the deck, we've got the kitchen started, structure, hot tub will go in early summer, and we'll finish it up with all the green.